MS Dhoni is on a high these days. 3 back-to-back tournament victories and his team is set for the World T20. But there's still one question the Indian skippers ask a bit too often.
कुछ टाइम फ्रेम तय किया है रिटायरमेंट के लिए?
It's up to you guys. Whatever you decide, write the complete opposite.
अभी इतना बुढ़ा नहीं हुआ हूँ।
ये बताओ मैं अनफिट हूँ? नहीं हूँ ना, अभी भी तेज भागता हूँ. The answer doesn't change in 15 days. I'm not getting rid of myself so soon.
मिल गई शांति, पता चल गया when he's retiring. Now you answer one question of mine. Actually, make that two. Firstly, why do we want Dhoni to retire? Just last week, he became the captain with the second most victories in international cricket. His bat still swings with the same gusto. He still keeps like a dream. तो फिर क्यों? चलो छोड़ो. Can't really expect a rational answer from you Dhoni haters. So my second question: if Dhoni retires, who will replace him? Captaincy तो विराट कोहली संभाल लेगा, but who will keep? You have Saha in tests, but what about in blue? No clear answer? Don't worry, I've got a list here. Let's start with Parthiv Patel. His recent form playing for Gujarat has been good. He's got the experience too, but here is the catch. Parthiv is an opener in T20s and one-days. He's simply not a finisher. And at the age of 30, he's unlikely to reinvent himself. Who's next? Two more 30-year-olds, Robin Uthappa and Dinesh Karthik. Both have kept for India in T20s and one-days. So experience, check. Uthappa has 3 back-to-back Ranji Trophy centuries and has scored in domestic T20 matches as well. So he is in form, but again, Robin is an opener. Can he replace Rohit Sharma or Shikhar Dhawan or even Rahane? Not really. Dinesh, on the other hand, can bat at number 6. He's a floater, but his problem is, where are the runs? Okay, who's next? Naman Ojha. Experienced, just 4 games for India, plus he's not really in some run-scoring role. Plus he's 32, so well, thanks, but no thanks. There's even Sanju Samson and Unmukt Chand, the young ones, but on recent form, both really don't have much. Both are again top-order batsmen, not finishers. Unmukt doesn't even keep regularly. So boss, there is no alternative, and instead of pissing off the man and asking him when he's going to retire, puja karo uski and beg him to keep playing.